Hello guys, now we are currently capturing in an area route with the DJI Matrice 4E of a landslide here. It is very critical because yesterday this very important road artery was blocked because of the landslide, and many people and also many drone pilots have been out here to capture some pictures and to send to the media companies and to tell people how it looks, but we haven't heard about someone doing photogrammetry, creating a 3D model of the entire landslide. So now with the DJI Matrice 4E, we are capturing thousands of images, and then we will start creating the 3D model immediately, so the output can be available as soon as possible. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so it's quite cold. You can see it is May the 2nd, but there is still snow in the mountains. So what do you say? Let's jump into the car and let the drone do its job. While the drone is capturing, let's get the computer out and get it ready to transfer the images and upload it, so we can get the result as soon as possible. We'll leave the remote controller on the ground.
Okay, so after processing the images, we get this wonderful high quality 3D map. Okay, so in this 3D map we can of course walk around and get a very close-up look at the exact state of the landslide. We can see all the asphalt pieces. The road is completely destroyed, and another very handy feature is measurements, annotations and measurements. We go to add smart annotation, and if we want to measure the road, let's say from here, we just select the area we are interested in, and then we can see exactly area 122 perimeter horizontal pitch. Then we can go ahead and save this measurement, and we can also go to the images, and here we can see all the image locations, and if we want a close-up view we can go ahead and click on specific images, and you can see now you can zoom a lot more and achieve greater quality. We also have panoramas. If you zoom out, you will see this panorama, which gives you a very good spatial idea of the place. Where is the landslide in relation to the mountains? So this is also very, very valuable.